Hey guys, hello everyone. Hey guys, hello. Can you all see and hear me? Hello guys, hello everyone. Welcome to today's class. How's everyone doing? Hello. Alright, so first of all, those who are here, guys, quickly give me a high five in the chat. Quickly, give me a high five in the chat. Hello. Hi Aditi. Hello Abhinav. Hello Jeremiah. क्या नाम है? Nice. Good evening to all of you. How's everyone doing, guys? How's everyone? Welcome, guys. Welcome to yet another and amazing session. And it is not session; it's just a strategy session. All right. Hello Aditi. Hello Aditi. So this is a strategy session in which we will be discussing about the strategy for your exams. Okay, ठीक है बच्चों. So we'll be discussing about the strategy of your exams, how you are going to deal with it, what is the plan you can make. All right, ठीक है. Guys, I am not able to receive any your messages. Are you all here? If you can see and hear me, just give me a high five in the chat. Give me a high five. Chalo, nice. Hello Mayuri ji. Hello Samita. Chalo, now I am getting messages. Hello Siddhi. Hi Jeremiah, Rizul, Ram, Rishi, Samhita. हाई फाई गाइस. सर नाइन्थ के लिए कोई कुछ बताता ही नहीं है. सिद्धि विल बी टॉकिंग अबाउट नाइन्थ एज वेल, बट दिस सेशन will be talking about grade 10th, and the way I have got the strategy for grade 10th, same way you can do it for grade 9th as well. ठीक है, only thing is our chapters are different but the strategy is going to be same. Okay, ठीक है. All right, clear है. Hi Rizul. Hello Ishu. Hi Ishu. Hello everyone. How's everyone doing? बेटा उदय, it depends upon the timetable, है ना. It's all about timetable, how many times I have classes and all. So very soon. Hello Tirupal. So guys, welcome once again to today's class. I hope all of you are awesome as always. All right, so I'm discussing about the strategy, that what strategy you should follow that you get like 95% exams marks in the exam. But obviously this strategy is not going to be like कि अच्छा कि without even studying this is a shortcut or something. No, but I'll tell you that what timetable you can follow, how much time is there. It is going to be a reality check. ठीक है, it is going to be a reality check for all of you. Hello Bhavita, hello Yusuf, I am awesome as always. All right, so this is going to be a reality check for all of you guys. If you have not started your preparation, this is the time right now. All right, and that's why this session is very important. So guys, my name is Gopal Paliwal. I am your master teacher of mathematics here at Vedantu, and this is your 3-month strategy to score 95% in your first term. ठीक है, in your first term. So guys, as you all know that CBSE has completely changed the pattern in which the exams will be conducted. Now many of you are afraid ki sir, now the exams will be conducted 2 times. All right, but there is one more benefit also, that instead of conducting the exam 1 time with all the chapters have been divided in 2 parts. So at a time you have to study less chapters, you have to revise less chapters, and it is an opportunity to score better. It is an opportunity. Now the paper pattern has also been changed. Earlier it was descriptive type, now it is MCQ types, right? So MCQs has its advantages as well as its disadvantages. If I talk about the advantages first, or suppose first let's talk about disadvantages, because MCQ has more advantages. You can score more in MCQs compared to descriptive, but just that is all about the strategy. So descriptive mein beta, the main advantage of the descriptive is that there is step marking. there is step marking as well. ठीक है, so step marking means what, कि भाई suppose if there is a 5 mark question and you solved it and by the end of the question you got the answer wrong, but till the time wherever your steps are correct you'll get partial marking is there. But in MCQs either it is wrong or it is right. ठीक है, that's the first thing. So that's a disadvantage of our MCQs, that there are no partial marking. ठीक है, now let's talk about advantages. The best thing in MCQ guys, if you don't know anything, you know that the answer will be from the given options only. So even if you'll do Akkad Bakkad Bombay both, there is a probability that you can do the answer, you can get the correct answer 25% of the time, right? Then if you learn the trick for elimination of options, it's very important that you start eliminating the options. Suppose कि यार out of a question is given, you can say by looking at the question कि यार B and D is definitely not going to be the answer. So once we eliminate the options, the probability of getting the correct answer increases. And the third and the most important thing, that out of all the 4 options, answer is in front of you. The answer is in front of you and you can take idea from it as well कि यार I am reaching over here, the question is asking this, how can I reach over there? All these things are related. ठीक है, all right, is it clear guys? है ना, clear है? all right, ठीक है. So these are the advantages and disadvantages of Menti. These are the advantages and disadvantages of Menti. Now the strategy, why do we need a strategy? So strategy is needed so that your preparation is effective. You know na, like it is very important to prepare, है ना? And preparation also cannot be any random. You need a strategic preparation. You prepare with a strategy, you prepare with a plan, you complete all the small steps of that plan and then you reach your target, right? So that is why it is very important. Now we'll be talking about the time left for preparation, target syllabus and exam pattern, all these things. ठीक है, तो you should know कि भाई now you have left 3 months for term 1. You have 3 months left for term 1. All right, and your target syllabus, CBSE has related the term 1 and term 2 syllabus as well. And exam pattern in the sense कि भाई these are going to be MCQ type, right? है ना, assertion and region type of questions will also be there. ठीक है, so this is your term 1 syllabus given to you by CBSE, in which the chapters are real numbers, this is the first unit, then polynomials and pair of linear equation in 2 variables from algebra, triangles, coordinate geometry, introduction to trigonometry, area related to circles and probability. The chapter wise distribution for all this I have covered in the previous video as well. All right, now out of all these chapter, we have already covered first 5 chapter on YouTube. Yes, I have conducted real numbers, I have done the real numbers, polynomials finished, linear equation 2 variables finished, triangles finished, coordinate geometry finished. ठीक है, introduction to trigonometry, areas related to circles, probability, 3 chapters are there. That is my responsibility to complete these 3 as well. ठीक है, so this is the main part. If you have not watched all these videos, do go through them as well. All right, do go through them as well because this is going to be very interesting. है ना, this preparation is required. I have solved some very amazing questions. है ना, तो these 5 chapters are done. Now suppose कि भाई August, September, October, these are our preparation time, 3 months for preparation. November, December, they'll be conducting the term 1. November and December, term 1 will be conducted. ठीक है, so I can say like we have exactly 3 months now left for the preparation. ठीक है, अब in this 3 months बेटा, also exam pattern has changed. MCQs, case study based questions and assertion and reasoning based questions. So we'll be giving you the practice for these kind of questions as well. As you all know, we have launched a MCQ series, है ना? We have launched the MCQ series in which I have discussed real numbers. I have taken one session of polynomials as well. Do attend those sessions as well. ठीक है? So this is the information which is there out in the open. Now what are the things which you need to realize, which you need to understand, which will be required for your reality check? Now before I go for that guys, let me tell you that Vedantu has got 100+ selections in NTSE stage 2 And if you are also preparing for NTSE, you can join Vedantu's Pro subscription as well. I'll tell you how you can go for that. The fee is very less for NTSE crash course, and it is going to be beneficial for your boards as well. How? I'll tell you, don't worry. Okay, now let's talk about the strategy. So beta, first thing, covering the syllabus first with a thorough and ground level of understanding. Now why do I have mentioned this term very clearly, that ground level of understanding is required? Why this is mentioned? It is simply mentioned, dekho beta, because many of you have asked me in the sessions which I conduct as well, कि sir ये proof question how can they ask in MCQs? Sir, why are you giving us the proof of theorems? They cannot ask it in MCQs. तो बेटा देखो, MCQs can be prepared, है ना? I have given you the examples in the sessions as well, that they can create MCQs, all right, with the given theorems as well. कि Pythagoras theorem can be proved by similarity of which two triangles from the given diagram. So you need to have the ground level understanding. So whatever syllabus CBSE has deleted, leave that, but the remaining syllabus, do it in detail. Do not leave a single kind of question ki अरे यार MCQ based question है, so it cannot come in the question. Don't do that. All right, understand each and every question. All right, try to solve each and every type of question, because MCQs can be related to that. So that's the first thing, that's the first myth which you need to get out of your head. कि यार what do I say, कि selective study I'll do, only MCQs type I'll solve, I'll not solve all the questions of NCERT. Don't do that. All right, don't do that. Ground level of understanding is required. All the types of question you need to solve, because MCQs can be prepared. Step 2, ठीक है? तो as I have told you बेटा कि भाई remember MCQs can be created, so focus on terminologies, and multiple choice question can test you on complex material. By suppose now I'll give you 3 statements, statement 1, statement 2 and statement 3, and I'll say कि अच्छा out of all 3 which one are correct? Option A 1 and 2, option B 2 and 3, option C all 1, 2 and 3 are correct, option D none of these. Up here you have to check 3 statements and then according to that answer. So in-depth knowledge will be required. Okay? Next, after the conceptual understanding of each chapter, solving enough number of questions to test your understanding. And guys, remember, in this enough number of questions, I will definitely include NCERT. All questions of NCERT, I am definitely going to include. All questions of NCERT, I am definitely going to include in this. All right? ठीक है बच्चों? Clear है? नहीं, of MCQs, advantages and disadvantages of MCQs I was saying. ठीक है बच्चों? Clear है? Is it clear? ठीक है? तो NCERT you have to do it in detail. Other than that, you can go for NCERT exemplar as well. Exemplar has some MCQ questions. You can go for RS Agarwal as well for some MCQ questions. But don't try RD Sharma. RD Sharma has lots of questions which are not your board's level. Okay, so don't go for that. Alright, RD Sharma is a book which I tell for the students who are doing foundation. Normal board preparation, no need for RD Sharma. Okay, MCQs, you can first NCERT, complete your whole NCERTs. Then you can look at the questions of exemplar and RS Agarwal as well. Okay, alright, next thing. So what we'll say, analyze the concepts, understand each and every concept in detail, solve as many questions as you can here. Maths is all about practice. Okay, and it's not like a blind practice, same kind of questions again and again, solving different types of questions. One concept you have learned from this kind of questions, other concept you have learned from this kind of questions, all this. Then memorize content in short, make your short notes very important. Ki suppose if you talk about polynomials, make a short note within half page something, so that at the end of the exam you can just quickly go through these short notes to remember or to revise all the formulas and the important key concepts. Alright, okay? And yeah, always revise. Important thing, most important thing. Revise and revise. Like, it cannot go more further than that. I cannot emphasize on it more. Revise, because if you are waiting here at the end of the like when the CBSE will release the what do I say, timetable, and before that I'll study one day before, or when the timetable will be released, that time I'll start studying. So obviously your marks will also reflect ki haan, you have studied only one day earlier. If you want really good marks, you have to start preparation now and also revise the topics which you have already studied. ठीक है? Alright beta, अब remember one thing. You know that term 1, term 2, they have equal weightages marks wise. Mark wise, the weightage is equal, but the time which you have got for preparation of term 1 is more compared to the time which you will be getting for preparation of term 2. Term 2 will be suppose November, December, and term 2 will be linked April, right? So you are getting me, the time is less over there. We have already got from July onwards, or many of your schools started from April as well. So you have got so much time, right? So it is very much important that by the end of these 3 months, you also prepare some chapters of term 2 as well. Okay? That's a bonus tip, guys, and those who will follow this bonus tip, you will see definitely an increase in your marks. I'm not saying that before exam also do this, before term 1 exam also revise the chapters of term 2, no. But I'm saying at least in these 3 months, prepare for the term 2 chapters as well. Whatever chapters are complete, prepare their syllabus as well. Okay? So that is going to help you for your term 2 preparation as well, because there you will be getting less time. Right? Correct? Alright. So in term 1, 3 months, first finish all the chapters. If term 2 chapters are already finished in your school, or you have already finished, revise them as well. Alright? Revise them as well. Alright, bacho. So this is the strategy with the bonus tip, and I have told you yaar, देखो, whatever CBSE has decided, that is done. ठीक है? Whatever CBSE has decided, that is decided now. अब instead of crying कि यार MCQ हो गया, this हो गया, just think on the advantages. Alright, MCQs have advantages. Okay, and if you prepare good enough, you can get easily full score in the MCQ compared to descriptive. Descriptive में there are chances of cutting your marks. Unit नहीं लिखा, cut half marks over here. Okay, equation did not explain well, cut 1 mark over here. So there is a chance, even though you are all correct, there is a chance of your marks reduction. But MCQs, if you are correct, you are correct. If you are not, you are not. Right? So there is more chances of getting full out of full. ठीक है? Your chances of getting full marks has increased now. All right. ठीक है बच्चों. अच्छा, one more thing I was telling you, that your NTSE crash course can also help you in the preparation of your grade 10. तो बेटा देखो, NTSE में you know your academic subjects are also there along with math, है ना? So in the NTSE crash course which Vedantu has launched, will be completing maths, physics, chemistry, biology, social studies. So this will be covering your board aspect, as well as math is also their mental ability test. So all these subjects will be covered, and they will be covered with 60 plus hours of live classes covering the syllabus of stage 1 as well as stage 2. Then there will be 50 plus chapter wise and 14 plus mock test. Now look at how this amazing feature is. These chapter wise tests and mock tests will be in MCQs, and they can be utilized for the preparation of board as well. Yes or no? By maths ke chapter wise, the MCQs of maths chapter wise MCQs of this NTSE, same syllabus, right? है ना? All right. So that can also be utilized over here. Also, classes will be taught live, and recording will be available to you as well, so that you can rewatch the session in the time of your revision. You can ask unlimited doubts if in the class, and unlimited doubts on the Vedantu's app also, if you have taken pro subscription. And previous year papers in-depth analysis solution will be provided to you. Important form concepts, key formulas, everything will be provided to you as well, है ना? Important thing is GPE Pro, this code, it will give you 10%. ठीक है? Let me quickly show you how you can go for it. तो बच्चा देखो, the price of that course is very less. Suppose come to the description box, and here in the description box you will see subscribe to Vedantu courses now. Click on this link. Once you have clicked on this link, here you have grade 10th. Here select NTSE 2021 crash course. So you can see the price very less, 4,050 for Pro Lite and 4,500 for Pro Classic after applying GPE Pro. Pro Classic has one more extra feature of doubt solving on mobile app. ठीक है बच्चों? And remember, this is the fee कि not the monthly fee. Okay, it's not like the monthly you have to pay this much. This is the fee for your whole syllabus. All right, the whole course will be covered at this price. All right, so this is not a monthly fee. This is the fee for the whole course. All right, and you are getting all the subjects at such a low price, guys. Do not miss this opportunity. All right, any other query you have, you can go for frequently asked questions. All right, बच्चों. Okay, Harcharanjeet ji, your request accepted. Okay, guys. All right. So thank you so much for coming to the session, and thank you so much for all the students who have liked the video. Thank you so much, guys. I hope all of you enjoyed the session, and please remember this thing, guys. MCQs can be your friends as well. No need to fear again and again and again. Now the pattern has changed. Focus on the MCQs. Solve different MCQs from different books. NCRT, Exemplar, RS Agarwal. Soon you are seeing all the sessions which I conduct. I conduct Menti. There are options given. We have also started MCQ series separately. Do follow that as well. And if you have not revised the previous chapters, do go through the Prodigy series. You'll be able to understand all the topics. All right, guys. Thank you so much. I'll see you soon in the next class. All right. Till then, bye bye. Sayonara. Khuda Hafiz to all of you. Bye bye, guys.